It's time for another episode of 5 Favorites. In this series, we pick our 5 favorite drone videos from the past month and talk about them for a bit. There's no real qualifications for any of these selections. These are just videos we liked and wanted to share with you guys, the community. Ready to jump in? Let's get to it. Starting off May, we get some incredible volcano footage from Gab 707. This is something I have never seen before. I don't know if anybody has. The perspective is crazy and the footage looks like CG from a movie or a video game. The editing works perfectly here. Gab mixes some slow cruising shots to capture the glowing lava with some fast freestyle. Clearly there is absolutely no chance at recovery here. I mean, the heat alone has to play hell with your gear getting this close. Absolutely so unique and a must-watch this month. On the less deadly side, KB puts together a smooth freestyle mix that's all about control. The proximity flying to objects is insane. We get super clean transitions from low ground flying to clean loops just brushing the trees. I love the flow with the music here. KB syncs the flying and music well to put together a great viewing experience. If you're looking for precise proximity flying to a great music edit, definitely go check out this video. If you can't tell yet, May is clearly going to be about great scenery, and that continues with Rich's cruising above surfers in Malibu. I love the perspective here. We get great follow footage of the surfers hitting the waves. I like the small shifts, like the quick spins that sort of mimic the surfers below. With all the follow videos coming up these days, it's great to see new ideas for incorporating a racing drone. In addition to the surfer views, we get some nice shoreline cruising. Great proximity flying around the water wraps everything up and captures the beauty of this coastal spot. Continuing the beautiful footage trend, Raymond FPV put together a jaw-droppingly scenic forest edit. Raymond did a great job intermixing some static camera footage with FPV. Not only does the environment look great, the flying is incredible. Great dives, loops, rewinds. If there's a name for it, this video showcases it. This video definitely reminds me of some of the older cinematic edits that Matty Stunts used to put together. Overall, an amazing use of space with a mesmerizing flow. The reverses through the trees inches away from branches look like Raymond has a camera facing backwards. If you're into skilled freestyle, you have to check this one out. To wrap up May, we get another fantastic edit from Flux FPV. As always, Flux does a great job mixing in footage and putting together the perfect intro. I love this simple transition looking up at the rail bridge to ripping it up in FPV. The dives and proximity flying are clean and definitely feel more impressive due to the size and vertical supports of the bridge. Long dives along the side are mixed with steady cruising up top. Flux also mixes in some side shot footage that allows for a super unique perspective that I really liked. Finally, the video concludes with some of the cleanest dives I've ever seen of a wind turbine. A great way to send off 5 amazing videos this month. And that does it for May. As always, we'll be back next month to look at June's 5 favorites. We'll see you guys next time.